Hello friends, welcome back to Stocks Invader. The company that we have shortlisted today is PRAJ Industries. PRAJ Industries was incorporated in the year 1985 and is headquartered in Pune. It has a global presence with more than 750 references in more than 75 countries. It initially began as a supplier of ethanol plants, and today it is a global company providing various solutions with a focus on environment, energy and agri-process industry. PRAJ Industries is a very well-known name when it comes to the production of ethanol. Ethanol is basically a renewable fuel which is derived from sugarcane or indirectly from paper waste. It is also the main type of alcohol in most alcoholic beverages obtained as a result of fermentation of mesh grains or sugarcane. Ethanol fuel can also be used on its own to power vehicles. Ethanol, when blended with gasoline, creates a mix that releases fewer emissions into the environment, and hence it is considered to be much cleaner in nature. However, ethanol is something that does not occur naturally in any ecosystem. It is produced through the process of fermentation and distillation. PRAJ offers novel technologies, products and services for all the requirements related to ethanol plant. Recently, on 4th of January 2021, PRAJ was ranked as the second hottest company in global bioeconomy for 2021 in the low carbon fuels and renewable chemicals category. The market capitalization of PRAJ Industries is close to 8,000 crores and the profits have been following a rising trend. The company is almost debt-free and has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of almost 59%. Let us now go to the TradingView platform and analyze the chart. This is the weekly time frame and it can be clearly seen that the stock has been in a sideways zone for a major period of time, almost 10 years. In February 2021, the major hurdle of 160 level was broken and the price increased impulsively to 400 levels in just 3 months, thereby giving a whopping return of almost 135% in very quick time. After this big impulsive move, it again went into a consolidation zone for a period of almost 6 months. The price action has also recently broken a trendline resistance level which had previously restricted the prices almost 3 times. However, during the 4th attempt, it managed to break that level. During this entire phase, the price action has also formed a flag and pole pattern which gave a breakout recently. With all this understanding, one can enter PRAJ Industries at the retest of the newly formed support level between 400 and 430 with a stop loss of 340 on closing basis. One can then trail the stop loss once the price begins to move in upward direction. Since this is a flag and pole breakout, the first target that you can expect here is 495 and the second target will be the size of the pole which comes out to be 625. However, since the company is fundamentally good, one can stay invested for a long-term horizon as well.
All the videos on this channel are purely for knowledge sharing and educational purposes only. The channel will not be responsible for any individual's financial loss. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe Stocks Invader for more such quality content.